Welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful idea and style designing. Most popular and latest idea styles for girls and women's crochet pattern. Here are for most popular and latest style and design and different colorful combination designing and styling looks for different and new style ideas for girls and women. So I hope you like it. Different and new design and idea styles for girls, women's latest styles and different color, vibrant, colorful, eye-catching ideas. Different and latest styles for girls and women fashion. So I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas relate to handbags, crochet pattern, latest and different stitches pattern for handbags. Create a system for organizing your handbags to keep it today and affection. You can use pouches, mini organizer or divider. If you have a collection of handbags, consider displaying them creatively in your home, like on the wall, and share your most have items that you always carry in your handbags, from makeup to emergency supplies and different beautiful latest styles looks. Please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. Next time, new video and new ideas, new styles, looks for girls and women, latest trend styles review.